I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix to solve it. If you've found an unexpected charge on your American Express account, disputing it online is straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your account information handy. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, go to the Transactions section of your account. This is usually found on the main dashboard or under the Account Services menu. Step 3. Select the charge to dispute. Find the charge you want to dispute. Click on it to view the details and look for an option that says Dispute Charge or similar. Step 4. Provide details of the dispute. Follow the prompts to enter the reason for your dispute. Be as specific as possible, including any relevant details that support your case. Step 5. Submit your dispute. Review your information and submit the dispute. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after, detailing the next steps. Remember, if you accidentally dispute a charge that you actually made, it can complicate things, so double check before submitting. Good luck with your dispute, and I hope this guide helps you resolve any issues quickly.